My name's David Terry. I'm a nursing home abuse and neglect lawyer who's been handling these types of cases for almost 25 years. And I believe there's 3 reasons why nursing home employees have a tendency to avoid family members when they come visit their loved one. Understanding this could help you get better care for your loved one. So let's dive in. First, they are terrified of confrontation. These workers see everything. The missed medications, the delayed bathroom calls, the times that your mom sat in a wet diaper for hours. They know the care isn't what it should be, but they also know it's usually not their fault. It's the system. There are systemic failures. And when they see you coming, they might panic because they can't fix what's broken. And they're afraid that you're going to blame them for it. They literally don't have time. So picture this. One aide is responsible for 20 or 25 residents. She's already 2 hours behind in medications. When you want to talk about your dad's care, she's thinking about Mrs. Johnson, who's been waiting for pain medication, and Mr. Smith, who needs help going to the bathroom. The system does not build in time for them to talk with you at length about the care that your loved one is receiving. Third, they've been trained to stay quiet. Most facilities have strict policies. Don't discuss incidents, don't admit problems, and refer everything to management. And these workers, they might have been told that saying the wrong thing could get them fired. They are understaffed, and that puts pressure on the employees. And as a result, they are scrambling just to get the basics done. This is a systemic problem caused by the ownership and not necessarily the CNAs. The staff avoiding you aren't necessarily your enemies, but they often feel trapped in an impossible situation. Now, of course, there are instances where the CNA employees are the problem, but in my experience, it's mostly a systemic problem caused by the ownership. So instead of getting angry, try to approach an employee that you know who's pretty good and approach them with kindness. Ask specific questions and make it clear that you understand they're doing their best in a difficult system. You might just find an ally who's been waiting for somebody to finally understand them. So try that approach. Always be polite, always be respectful.